it, loser. Reading a lot and your vocabulary will go up, up, up. Watch on to find out 5 activities to get the most out of your English reading. Hi, I'm Damien, and I'm the sledgehammer that smashes down English language barriers. And this series is all about helping you get better at reading. If you want to learn English, you've come to the right place. I'm going to take you through 5 activities to help you get more out of your reading. This episode will teach the concept of squeezing the lemon. Let me explain. Most students read something once in English and then never look at it again. There's still so much juice in the lemon, or things to learn from a single reading. These activities will help you get all the juice or learning out of that reading. Each activity will be broken into prepare, read, and review. Let's hit it or read it. Number 1, memorize now. This activity will help you remember key words and ideas from a reading. Prepare. Choose a graded online article. Read. Read it. Review. A day later, cut and paste the article into memorize now. Then turn it into a gap fill and try to remember the missing words. Want a challenge? Then do it with just the first letters. Watching a series like Squid Games in Netflix can be good for your English, except maybe that's in Korean. So yeah, that would be really hard. Watching a series in English on Netflix can be confusing. A way to reduce the confusion is to read the script before watching. Prepare. Find a Netflix series you are interested in. Read. Read the script and look up new vocabulary. Use a tool like Language Reactor to easily download the script. Review. Watch the episode with the script. Make notes on the script when you find it difficult to understand. Input new vocabulary into your vocabulary recording system. Oh, I have a video all about this. So yeah, watch it now. Listening and reading at the same time can be a great way to boost your English. Prepare. Choose an online article, graded or ungraded. Cut and paste into Natural Reader. This tool reads the article out loud for you. Read. Read and listen at the same time. This benefits sound-spelling relationships and pronunciation for you. Review. Read it again, changing the speed of the reader. Then, input new words into your vocabulary system. Oh, if you're finding this video useful, then please sledgehammer that like button. It's great for me and my channel. 4. Ungraded material. Sometimes you might want to read ungraded material. This means the vocabulary and grammar hasn't been changed for a second language learner. A good way to do this is to read the same news story in your first language, whether that's Thai, Chinese, or Spanish, for example, and then read the same article in English. Prepare. Find a trending news story in your country written in your first language. Then find the same story written in English. Read. Read the story in your first language, which helps you understand the ungraded language. Then read the English version. Review. Read the English version again a week later and mind the article for vocabulary. 5. Online translation. Translation is not all bad. It can be a great way to more deeply understand a new text. Prepare. Choose a sample of an English text, about 100 words. Cut and paste it or type it into 2 or more online translators. Translate to your first language. Read. Read the translation in your own language and note down the errors. Try to explain why these errors have occurred. Review. A week later, return to the text and translate it back into English by yourself. Don't use the translator this time. Compare with the original and again, note down any errors. Be the bookworm. No, that's pretty crappy. Don't be the bookworm. I'm renaming it. Be the book lion. Ah! Also, remember to sledgehammer that subscribe button, as I would be honoured to continue on this language learning journey with you. Finally, practice, practice, practice. Try using the squeeze the lemon technique with some of the reading activities I've discussed today. Oh, and if you're interested in a full vocabulary system, then why not check out my book, English Words Unmasked. And as I like to say, start taking your English mask off today. See you later.